I really love the way this plant looks. This plant is a whole package. It's absolutely classy and stunning. Quite famous for its leaves rather than for its flowers. It almost looks like someone has taken a neon marker and gone creative drawing veins on the very dark green leaves of this plant. Hi friends, today I have come to you with a short video where I will share with you 5 plants that are on my indoor plant wish list. I'm sure that all gardeners would have such lists where we go online and we browse through Instagram and Pinterest and we keep adding to our list and we keep building it up. I had made such a list years ago, and today I can very happily say that I have acquired quite a few plants that were on my list. Now, that is because the Indian plant market is expanding rapidly. More and more people are buying plants, and more people are aware. That is why there's more demand, and we're finding more plants in the market. That's amazing for gardeners, because plants that were unheard of some time back, that were supposed to be very rare, are very commonly found in nurseries and even in online stores. I will probably share with you about the plants that I have been able to acquire in a video somewhere down the line. So here are some plants that I don't have but would love to own someday. Come, browse with me. This here is a variety of Aglonema called the Aglonema pictum tricolor, and as its name suggests, you can see that it has 3 different shades of green on its leaves, and it makes it look absolutely stunning. Now those who've seen my previous videos will definitely know that I have a different love for Aglonemas, and I personally own 6 Aglonemas, and I would always want to add to that collection. I buy these plants because they're not only beautiful with interesting leaves, but they're also very hardy and they are excellent air purifiers as well. I would love to add this one to my collection. This is the Philodendron White Knight. And as you can see, the leaves are randomly splattered with white color. The variegation on it is also really stark, and it makes this plant very interesting. The white knight is very rare and it's an easy to care plant, but it's very slow growing. I also own a couple of philodendrons, and my experience with it has been really good. So they're easy to care for plants. They're slow growing, but they're hardy. I really love the way this plant looks. It's elegant and it's classy. This is the Mecodes Patola. It is a jewel orchid from Southeast Asia, and it's quite famous for its leaves rather than for its flowers. And among the orchids, that is something rare. Now, when you look at this plant, it almost looks like someone has taken a neon marker and gone creative drawing veins on the very dark green leaves of this plant. This plant, according to me, looks so gorgeous, and if I get it anywhere, I'm surely going to grab it. This is the Kallithea Musician, and it is another plant that has unbelievable foliage. The pattern on its leaves are absolutely incredible. I own 2 varieties of Calathea, and I have found that these are good indoor plants, but you have to be very careful with them. They are a little delicate. They are very similar to Aglonemas when it comes to the variety of the plants and the beauty of the leaves and the foliage. But when it comes to hardiness, the Aglonemas are much more hardy than the Calathea. And if you keep a Calathea, you have to be a little careful and attentive to its needs. This is a variety that I would really like to own. This plant is the Begonia maculata white eye. Its nickname is polka dot begonia, and I would really love to get my hands on this one. It has oddly shaped long leaves, and the leaves are dark green, and it has got a contrast of white spots on it, which makes it look so pretty. The underside is red, which makes it look so beautiful. This plant is a whole package. It's absolutely classy and stunning, especially when it comes into bloom. It blooms with pretty delicate white flowers, and I think it blooms around 3 times in a year. It's something that every gardener would want to own. So this here was a very tiny part of my very long wish list, and in the future I hope to share with you about a few more plants from my wish list, and I would also love to hear from you about your wish list. If you have any rare plants on them, please do share with us in the comment section below about this. Now, if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe because we have loads of interesting stuff coming up your way. Stay green.